family, this is C7 DHOA Homesteader. Today is the day that I go back in my hive, and as for you that have been following me, you know the last time I went in there, I didn't use my smoker. I just wanted to add the second honey super, and not using that smoker was a mistake. My bees chased me around for about 20 minutes. But I thought they were gone. I don't know if it can be picked up from this distance, but the bees are buzzing around, going in and out this morning. So I still have bees, would lead me to assume I still have a queen. How many bees are still in there? I don't know. Would some leave without the queen? I don't think they would, so I think they're just stacked up inside. My plan today is to remove 6 frames from the 2 different honey supers. And that's it. I'm not going to work my way all the way down to the bottom. Whatever's going on down there, if they created queen cells or any of that other stuff, I'm not going to be concerned with that today. I just want to be able to remove some of the honey and go from there. And with that said, just stick with me. I'll be getting suited up and ready to go in a few minutes. So hang in there, people. And thanks in advance for visiting my channel. All right, family, I'm back. Get ready to go inside and do what I said I was going to do. One other thing, I do have a little bit of pollen patty that I'm going to put in there. I hope I'm putting in enough, but something to feed them in this next couple of months. So that's something else I'm going to be doing also. All right, here I go. Okay, for the top honey super, I'm surprised. They didn't fill that thing out at all. Maybe it was because the frames was just plain. I never treated them with any beeswax. I thought because of the flow coming from the Brazilian peppers was so strong, somebody gave me advice that said might just go ahead and stick that on top. They'll probably fill those frames out anyway. They have not. I mean, it doesn't even look like they even tried to start. So from here, we'll probably go down to the second honey super and see what's going on. If I can remove those, I probably only remove 3 out of the 10, 30%. So that's what I'm about to do next. having trouble pulling the wax off the pollen patty, so I'm just gonna lay it on the pellet. All right, folks, that's gonna be it for today. The top super wasn't filled out at all with any honey like I thought I would. But that other one, I had treated frames, and all 10 frames is packed full of honey. And I think the ratio is, like I said before, is 30%. So I only removed 3 of the frames. I'm gonna leave it like this throughout the winter. And I'm probably only gonna check on it every 2 to 3 weeks until the spring now. So just let them do what they naturally do. Hopefully they remain during the winter months. You know, we'll see what goes on. So with that said, people, that's it for today. Thank you for visiting my channel. You guys have been with C7, the HOA Homesteader. And as I always say, remember, just because you may live in an HOA doesn't mean that you cannot grow food or take care of bees. Thank you. Until next time, take it easy.